Hi, I am Sivajothi, HR leader with 17 plus years of experience with leading global organizations. In this video, I will be sharing important tips for planning your professional career. I request you to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any points which might be useful to successfully plan your career. Before we start, do click the like button if you like the video, as it will motivate me to do similar videos. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your network. Getting into the topic, career planning is a buzzword in this dynamic professional environment which refers to the process of planning career choices, establishing career objectives, and deciding on educational and developmental programs to improve the skills required to achieve career objectives. It's an important part of an individual's self-assessment. Selecting a career is unquestionably one of the most important decisions you'll ever make. It impacts just about every facet of your life. It determines how much money you'll make, how much you'll work each week, where you'll live when you can retire, and quite possibly whether or not you pursue a family. On average, we're at work over 70% of each year, which equates to nearly 35 years over an average lifetime. Making a good career choice can be the difference between a life filled with satisfaction or a life filled with dissatisfaction and disappointment. While you don't need to stress over choosing a career, it isn't a decision to be taken lightly either. Career planning is a journey that is not something that you do once and then forgets. Research findings say that the average worker will change careers, not jobs, but careers, 5 to 7 times in their lifetime. Career planning is an activity you should do at least once a year. Being successful in a dynamic workplace requires a career management plan. Employers always want to attract, hire, and retain employees who provide the best value. I will be taking you through 12 steps that you can take right now to develop a career plan that will get you where you want to be professional. 12. Career planning. This is an ongoing affair. While we spend more time planning in advance to achieve important milestones in life, a career is also an important task. Do block a day or weekend at least once a year and schedule time to truly focus on what you want out of your career in the next 1 year. For me, the best time to do this is at the end of December, as we're approaching the new year. You can make it one of your serious New Year's resolutions. I would also suggest that you can do this career planning activity considering your organization's performance management process timelines. 11. Resume updated version. One of the most important steps in planning for the future of your career is to be ready to leap when opportunities present themselves. Regardless of your industry or career level, learning how to write a resume and keeping it up to date is a huge annual exercise. Please do refer to my video on Make a Resume that stands out to learn more about having a winning resume. I will put that link in the description. 10. Reflecting last career planning activity and the path taken to implement. Research shows reflection increases productivity and performance, so take time to think about your current situation and the path you want to follow. Are you happy with your career path so far? What could you have done better or differently? What can you change in the future? When you understand yourself and what you really want, it's a lot easier to create a plan that suits your goals and your lifestyle. You can continue to experience career growth by investing in your career development, e.g., you can talk to your manager about job shadowing other employees in your company to learn about different jobs, or you can attend various training sessions and workshops. You can explore lateral moves to broaden your experience or find a mentor in a different department that you'd like to explore. 9. Reflecting like, dislike, need and want from work. Likes and dislikes change over time, so it's always a good idea to reflect on what you feel strongly about in your life and career. Make a list of what you like and dislike about your job. Hopefully, you still enjoy a lot of your work activities, but if that's not the case, it might be time to start considering a new job or career. It's also important to have a clear and meaningful purpose that you find emotionally engaging. What do you really need from your work? Is it to make a difference or to become financially independent? 8. Achievements using tracker. Most of us don't keep a track record of work achievements. However, this is not only useful for building your resume, but it's also useful for career planning. Learning to track and write about your professional accomplishments will serve you well when working toward your next career goal. 7. Find and nurture your secondary skills. Maybe your job title is business analyst, but you have a huge amount of project management experience, skills that could be applied to other jobs. Think beyond your current job title by considering your goals and how the skills you have now would be useful in a new role. Make a list of relevant secondary skills to add to your resume other than your primary skill. Also, do some research on what skills you need to gain. If your goal is to become the VP of Finance, for example, what experience and skills do you need to gain in the next year, or in the next 5 years, to be qualified for that job title? Then create a plan for achieving your long-term career goal. 6. Set career objective and goal. While you can be successful in your career without setting goals, you can be even more successful with setting a goal. What are your short-term, within a year, and long-term, within 5 to 10 years, career goals? You probably already know about SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Always write them down and share the list with someone. This will help you to create a sense of accountability. Another big part of career planning is reviewing and adjusting these goals on a regular basis, and developing new goals once you accomplish your previous ones. So, each time you sit down for a career planning session, break out this list and review it. 5. Upskilling and being relevant. Never miss a chance to learn and grow more as an employee and individual. Part of career planning is finding training opportunities, courses, or workshops that will help you further your career and be relevant in the fast-changing world. If your company offers professional development opportunities, take advantage of them. This is free money and can be valuable in reaching your goals. 4. Learn from experts. Build relationships with leaders within and outside of your organization, attend job-related conferences, and explore other events. The better your network, the more opportunities you have to learn from others who've enjoyed success. To find out more about other possible career options, you can conduct some informational meetings with colleagues or managers. People are generally willing to share advice if you ask. 3. Comfort zone is a killer. One of the best ways to advance your career is to identify and solve an organizational problem your company is experiencing. If you can identify a problem within your organization, propose a solution, and implement it, you will not only increase your visibility in the organization, but also expand your skills in the process. 2. Have a professional mentor. One of the keys to being successful in your career is to have a mentor who is experienced and can act as a trusted advisor. A mentor may share with a mentee a piece of valuable information about his or her own career path, as well as provide guidance, motivation, emotional support, and role modeling. A mentor may help with exploring careers, setting goals, developing contacts, and identifying resources. 1. Acquire more career advancement opportunities. A fun part of career planning is picturing your career in the future. Where will you be in a year or in 5 years? While it's impossible to plan everything, it's always a good idea to know where you're going and what various career paths are available to you. As employees progress in their careers, fewer jobs at more senior levels become available, yet continuing to grow your skills and experience should still be a priority. You can continue to experience career growth by investing in your career development, e.g., you can talk to your manager about job shadowing other employees in your company to learn about different jobs, or you can attend various training sessions and workshops. You can explore lateral moves to broaden your experience or find a mentor in a different department that you'd like to explore. Regularly reviewing and planning will make you better prepared for whatever lies ahead in your career. Steer your career deliberately, but also be open to life surprising you with new adventures, even if they don't exactly match the destination you had in mind. With this, we come to the end of this video. To summarize, career planning encourages individuals to explore and gather information about themselves, which enables them to synthesize, gain competencies, make decisions, set goals, and take action. It is a crucial phase of human resource development that helps the employees in making strategies for work-life balance. Do share your comments and let me know what should be your next video topic, so that it will help me to provide relevant content. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Do like the video if you like the content, and do share this video with your network. All the best.